Hello everyone, this video is about chapter 3 Money and Banking from Macroeconomics books for class 12th. This is the part 3 of this chapter by Ms. Divya Saraswat. In this video we will learn about credit creation by commercial banks. So let us see what are our learning objectives for this video. After watching this video you will be able to explain the term LRR, CRR, SLR and describe the procedure of credit creation. Now, before moving ahead, let us understand these concepts. For example, there is a bank in a commodity, a new bank, and it is a commercial bank. So there will be a person A come to bank and deposited rupees 1000. Now there is a person B come to bank and ask for loan. So बैंक ने क्या करा, जो A ने 1000 रुपीज़ डिपॉजिट किया है वही एज अ लोन प्रोवाइड कर दिया B को. Now second day, when A come to bank and ask, kindly provide me 100 rupees. I want to withdraw my 100 rupees from the deposit. Now at that time, where the bank is going to provide these 100 rupees. In this situation, RBI enters and RBI guides commercial bank that keep a cash reserve with you, then lend the rest of the amount to the borrower. Fine. Next time when the commercial bank get the deposit of rupees 1000 by A, now the bank keep 20% by himself as a reserve, cash reserve, and rest of the money he lent as loan to B, which is your 800. 20% is your 200. Fine. Now after some time, when again bank start giving this 200 as loan, then the same situation will again arise in front of him. At that time, RBI again interfere and guide that now the 20% which you are keeping with yourself is LRR. LRR means legal reserve ratio. Legal reserve ratio. But now onward, what you are going to do, you will keep only 20% of this 20% with you, and the 80% amount I'll take as CRR. You will deposit that amount to me as CRR, and what amount you are having is your SLR. Yes, now let us first understand what is CRR and what is SLR. CRR is your cash reserve ratio, okay, and what is your SLR is statutory liquidity ratio. What does liquidity means? Liquidity मतलब bank can keep that amount SLR into cash form, bond form, securities form और any shares form. ठीक है, तो बैंक किसी भी फॉर्म में उस अमाउंट को रख सकता है. Now after that, let us understand that there are two components of LRR. LRR is CRR and SLR. CRR जो है वो RBI के पास जाता है एंड SLR जो है कमर्शियल बैंक खुद के पास रखते हैं. सपोज जो हमारा LRR था 200, उसका सपोज 80% हमारा CRR है and rest of the 20% is your SLR. So 80% of 200 is 160 and 20% of 200 is 40. So ये amount तो बैंक के पास रहेगा, commercial बैंक के पास, and 160 will be given to RBI as deposit. Okay, so this is the concept of LRR, CRR and SLR. Now moving ahead. Yes, there are certain assumptions that there is only one bank, the bank work as one unit. The entire commercial banking system is one unit and termed as bank. And all the receipts and payments are routed through bank only. जो भी आप पेमेंट कर रहे हो वो भी बैंक में जाएगी, and whatever you are receiving वो भी आप बैंक में डिपॉजिट करोगे. So with the help of this, let us start our credit creation system. For example, in round 1, a person A deposited 10,000 rupees, and we are assuming that LLR is 20%. So 10,000 का 20%, 2,000 the bank keep as cash reserve and rest of the 8,000 lend as loan. Now जिस पर्सन को ये लोन मिला है, he went to a shop and purchased few materials from it and give the 8,000 rupees to the person. अब वो 8,000 rupees की उसे पेमेंट रिसीव हुई है, yes, तो वो उसको क्या करेगा, बैंक में जाके डिपॉजिट करेगा. सो इन सेकेंड राउंड बैंक रिसीव अ डिपॉजिट ऑफ 8,000. अगेन कमर्शियल बैंक क्या करेगा, कीप 20% एज कैश रिजर्व. सो नाउ 1,600 keep as cash reserve and rest of the 6,400 again went to another shopkeeper जिसके पास वो लोन आया है. उसने क्या किया, उसने दोबारा परचेज किया. तो नाउ इन थर्ड राउंड 6,400 अगेन बैंक के पास वापस आ गया एज अ डिपॉजिट. नाउ 6,400 का 20% इज़ 1,280 एज अ कैश रिजर्व बैंक ने अपने पास रखा. एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट विच इज़ योर 5,120 गिव एस लोन. ये प्रोसीजर ऐसे ही वर्क करता रहेगा. नाउ कब तक वर्क करेगा, जब ये आपका जो इनिशियल डिपॉजिट है, दिस इज़ योर इनिशियल डिपॉजिट, विल बी इक्वल टू द कैश रिजर्व्स टोटल. ओके, यहाँ पे आपका हो जाएगा 40,000 and here will be 50,000. How I will write here 50,000? Why don't the other? There is a reason behind this. I'll let you know about this after this slide. Now अभी एक बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ क्या है, बैंक क्रेडिट क्रिएशन जब तक करता है जब तक उसका इनिशियल डिपॉजिट जो है वो टोटल ऑफ कैश रिजर्व के इक्वल नहीं हो जाता. उसके बाद वो क्रेडिट क्रिएशन करना बंद कर देता है उस अमाउंट से. क्लियर? नाउ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस इन एग्जाम. So the first point you will write, the credit creation are determined by two factors. First is initial deposit, which was our 10,000, and second is LRR. And we assume that LRR is 20%, as you can see here. LLR is 20% and there is a fresh deposit of rupees 10,000. तो बैंक ने क्या करा, 2,000 rupees as a cash reserve रखा and rest of the 8,000 rupees lent to the borrowers. Now suppose the borrowers spend the entire amount 8,000 for making the payment. Write down the symbol of rupees before that. Since all the transaction are routed through the bank, तो जितना भी मनी था वो सारा दोबारा कहाँ चला गया, in the form of deposit to the bank. Fine. Now bank again keep 20%, which is 1,600 as cash reserve and lend 6,400 to the borrower. Fine. The process will keep repeating till the total cash reserve is equal to the initial deposit. It means total cash reserve कितना हो जाना चाहिए, till 10,000. There is a formula of this that, let me tell you. Money multiplier is your 1 upon LRR. It means 1 upon 20%, which is equal to 100 by 20, and that is equal to your 5 times. यानी कि जितना भी आपका initial deposit है उसका 5 times होना चाहिए. So my initial deposit is 10,000. So the money creation is of 50,000 like this. Suppose if the LRR is 10%. Now 1 upon 10%, which is equal to 100 upon 10, that is 10 times. इसका मतलब money creation और ज़्यादा हो गया. Now if I am assuming that LRR is 50%, LRR is 50%. In that situation 1/50% is equal to 100/50 is equal to 2. It means 2 times. तो एक चीज़ हमें यहाँ से समझ आ गई that if LRR is increasing, then money creation or credit creation is decreasing. If LRR is decreasing, then the credit creation is increasing. जितना ज़्यादा आपका LRR होगा उतना ही आप क्रेडिट कम क्रिएट कर पाएंगे, एंड जितना कम आपका LRR होगा उतना ही क्रेडिट क्रिएशन ज़्यादा होगा. Okay, hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video.